Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm actually going to show you a video that I recorded quite a few years ago when I was quite active on my channel, and it was about this Yacon, and it's just basically finishing up the series of growing it. It's the final harvest video just to show you kind of what I got out of that plant. This one that I have next to me is one that I've just dug up today, and this is actually, I guess you'd say, a descendant of that original Yacon. It's one that I've just saved the rhizomes off every year. Anyway, let's take a look at that video.
Okay, so what you're looking at right here is a pretty terrible looking plant. This is my Yacon plant, and it's finally got a little wee flower on it. But the reason that it's looking so bad is because we've just had some frost. So it's basically killed this plant, and I'm just going to dig it up now and just see what my harvest is going to be like. Here at the bottom is what we're going to sort of dig apart and harvest and see how it went. So kind of just going to break this dirt away, I suppose, and check that out. Massive, humongous Yacon tubers. Jeepers, these are much bigger than the ones that I bought from that organic shop originally. I bought some just to try, and these are huge compared to them. I honestly never expected them to be this massive. I thought because I kind of ended up having to plant it into reasonably solid soil, I didn't sort of expect it to do that well. But it looks as if it's paid off pretty good. If you're wondering why there's like those real pink coloured ones and then these brown ones, I have told you guys this before on a previous video. So these pink ones are the type of, they're called rhizomes, and they are what the plant grows out of. So as you can see, there's one here, and there's the stem of the plant growing out of it. And then these big potato looking tuber things are some storage tubers. So these are basically the base of the plant. As you saw when I pulled it out, they grow on the base and they store all of, I guess, the nutrients or whatever. And if you went to go and plant this like a potato, this would not grow. So you can't grow the plant from the tubers, only from these rhizomes. So what I can do is kind of split these apart, and I can store these rhizomes until it's warm enough to plant these back outside after the winter's over, and grow another plant like this, and hopefully these will produce a lot more of these again. So thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed the Yacon series. It's now come to an end pretty much after this harvest, and I'm stoked that I've actually got something really awesome to show you guys. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright, bye.